With Intraintel.ai, logging in is secure and effortless. Simply select the Google login option, authenticate through your Google account, and trust that your credentials are fully protected with our advanced security protocols. Now, you are in My Space. Now, let's connect a model and upload the folder with the files you'll work with. Start by going to the Models menu, where you can name your model to easily identify it later. Next, select the data source that fits your needs and choose the folder containing your files. Once you've uploaded your folder, the system will process the data and your model will be ready for intelligent interactions. You will see that the model has been successfully trained, and now you're ready to explore your data like never before. You can ask any questions related to the files you uploaded, whether it's about specific details, patterns, or summaries. Our AI will process your queries, analyze the data, and provide clear, accurate answers in real time. This makes it easier than ever to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions based on your data. Thank you for exploring Intraintel.ai. Remember, in addition to uploading your own files, you can connect to other data sources like cloud storage or local drives to build your models. Sign up today and start transforming the way you work with your data.